Ready? All right. Well,
hey everybody.
Yeah.
Welcome to this episode of VW Life.
This episode is actually
last
week's episode.
Last week's filmed episode for this week.
Somebody lost the footage. Of
the intro.
I think I had the lens cap on.
No.
No, it's me. I lost it. I have no idea.
So we lost the footage for last week. So this is us this week telling you about last week. So today, what are we going to do on? Or what did we do last week?
We did an alignment.
We did an alignment,
and then we pulled that off nice and easy.
Yeah.
Martin put plastic on the doors.
Yeah.
That turned out real nice.
And the horn.
Ooh, we got the horn going. Beep beep beep
Yep.
beep.
Tommy
beep,
did some
beep.
jacking.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes I just don't understand where these things.
You made that bolt. I predict a bolt breaks off, and you have to fix it. I'm like Karnak.
That was 2 weeks ago.
Oh, well, this was 2 weeks.
Karnak is a little old. It's okay, we'll give it to him. That did happen, but that was 2 weeks ago. We're actually only 1 week out.
Yeah, that's that stuff. But
I'm old and confused enough as it is. Now they got me doing this. Just stay tuned.
Stop talking so fast.
Yeah.
All right, shut up. We're gonna get to it. So watch the video, and
we're gonna watch on HB23. Stick with us.
See all these antennas he's got? Dude.
Oh, it's because every time we get one.
And he was like, buy a new one. We need a new one.
You don't even buy nothing. There's one right here. Done. Brand new.
Does it need to be new or does it need to be like?
It needs to be.
It needs to be whichever. You just want it to be firm.
Here's a good one.
Firm feeling woman. Oh, it's warmer.
No, we'll just take that one off. Put this on.
Oh, no. I'm saying.
Oh!
What do y'all think?
No.
A big old spring whip on there.
No.
Come on, dude.
Look at this. Come on.
Oh.
That's gonna get some signal. Put a raccoon
What is
tail
on the end of that thing?
Get a raccoon tail on the end of it.
Look at Martin like that.
Do we have a raccoon tail? That would be awesome, actually. What's happening here, Gary?
Hey. Well, we need a new antenna. This one right here is not very good. So
seen better days.
It's seen better days. So we checked the antenna stock department.
Oh, and there's some antennas in stock.
We got antennas in stock. All right, so we're gonna check the alignment on this little jewel. All you need is 2 guys and a measuring tape. Okay. Where do you want to go?
The outer track.
Let me see. The outer.
You just want to be consistent over there.
Okay, I see where you are. Yep.
Go up as high as you can. Well, not as high, but
We're straight.
Without binding the tape.
Yeah. Okay, I'm at 48 and
48 and 11/16, boss.
48 and 11/16.
All right, we'll go to the back.
3 from a half. All right, going to the back. Under there.
Yeah.
Oh, this is gonna be a little higher. Oh shit.
So you want to be in the same general height without any bind on the
yeah, it's hard with the pan there.
On the measuring tape. And then we want to try to get to where we have an 1/8 inch toe in this way.
So right now we're at 48 and oh gosh, scratch that. 49 and 7/8.
Oh wow. A little ways to go.
Are the wheels pointed straight?
Mine is for the most part.
Okay. This one's definitely.
Put yours straight. Where do you think is straight?
That looks straight there.
Yeah, mine's towed in like crazy. So it'll drive nice when we fix this.
Yeah.
So the main thing right now is we probably should take the tank loose to make our life nice and easy.
Again.
Well, it does make it easier, right?
It does make it a lot easier.
All right.
That's it. There you go, you're on it. Nice. Okay, let's see. So that what we're trying to do here is so we're towed in too much. This being the front this way, all right? So we're sucking the tire back like this, back in with that tie rod. Okay, at least get it close, and then we can get our measurements because it was off by over an inch. So you can see now how Tom Reed's doing this. Look at the tire kicking in. Okay, see how it's going in? He's sucking it in because we were towed in too much, and we only want an 1/8 toe, right? Yeah. Total so it's 1/16 each side. So. Okay, 49. We're not far off. We're 49 3/8.
Okay.
So we need to go in just, so literally not a total of 3/8, but since it's, like Tommy said, it sucks and goes at the same time. So if he were to turn it, maybe that rod again. We are definitely 49 1/4 right here. Let me double check the back again.
You want me to turn the steering wheel?
No.
Good shit. There's always one in every group. Yeah, hey, go down, Tommy. That's what's the way.
Okay.
Down more. There you go. Yeah. 49 3/8.
49 3/8.
Yep. 49 3/8. 49 3/8.
So we have 49 3/8
Yep.
and 49
And a quarter. Which is actually 49 2/8.
2/8. So we have 2/8 in the front, 3/8 in the back, which is 1/8 less. And why is it that we want an 1/8 toe in? That's because toe in is this way, right? So when we're driving down the road, the wheels are being pushed, and that makes up for that 1/8 inch. So basically, when you're driving down the road, you're straight. If we were too far towed in, they would still be towed in, or if they were too far out, they'd already be out. So we asked for a toe in of about an 1/8 inch just to get us on the road. So when we're driving down the road, they sort of go like this.
So this is to keep the center turn from spinning when he's tightening it. Just a simple pair of channel locks on here. You can see where somebody's grabbed it before right there. We don't want that moving when he's tightening it. So that would throw our 2/8 to 3/8 off. Capiche? Capiche. Ooh, it's turning. Oh, it's so strong. Look at that. Kung Fu grip. Hi-ya!
But you can feel the resistance.
Tommy's like, oh, ah!
Not very strong. Right here, this is what's causing problems.
You think it's our, that little guy there. He got a bunch of corrosion on him. But we don't have enough, do you think we have enough slack in him to put another,
Yeah, man, we just gotta find.
keep doing that.
Okay. Touch engine.
Do it again.
I'm trying.
Just keep doing it till it works.
Right. Thank God Kennedy's not in here. Did you get that on camera?
No, it's gonna take a while.
Did you get that on table?
So what if you, when you're doing that, let me get like David, you guys want to use something.
Good thing Tommy edits this.
No. So this beam, as most aftermarket beams you would get, are powder coated, right? Okay. The prompt, which is great, nice sealed, good finish, not gonna rust, you know, that kind of thing. However, there's always one of those. There's an unintended consequence of that. When you bolt on the steering box to a beam that's powder coated, you're not gonna get a ground, or a very good ground, especially in a 6-volt situation. So we had to kind of rectify that with a Tommy B. Smith special. A jumper.
It works perfect.
It works
man.
great now.
Yeah, no, we're super happy.
So the point being made there is, though, if you're putting a new beam on, which everybody a lot of times do, if you're putting a new beam on, what you want to make sure you do is that you grind off a little of that powder coating, or you're not going to have enough ground for your horn, because that horn ground is going through the steering box, which then clamps around the beam. So if it's clamped around that beam, but it's just holding that power coat, it's not going to get a ground. So you want to grind off where that box goes around the beam. Door cards installed.
That's done.
Engine bay.
That's nothing. Well, we can do that right now if we wanted to.
Yeah.
Just budge.
This we're not
That's
doing.
how we're doing. We'll scratch it off after we
Yeah.
Spare tires not work.
Now we got to get.
So we
that
got to get
ordered.
the hood steel from the house.
That.
Clean the tires, clean the wheels.
Antenna's done.
My mandolin. It's broke. It's broke just like we are. All right. So we not only lost the intro, which we recorded that you seen in the beginning, but we lost the end too. And by we, I mean me, but I'm going to throw Martin in there also.
Yeah,
So.
it was all him. Lost everything. Except for the main footage. At least we got that. So
It was on an SD card, fell on the ground, and it just went MIA like immediately. And I have no idea, which doesn't say a lot for my house, which means I need to clean up a
Yes,
little
you
bit
do.
more. Yeah. So thanks for hanging out with us. Make sure you like and subscribe.
and don't forget to go to All Metric Garage.
Ooh, All
Get
Metric
you some
Garage.
shirts, hoodies. It's getting cold. We got some shoes on there, some flags, all kind of stuff. So check it out.
You know what's crazy is how many people order flags. I think it's
Yeah.
cool that everybody supports us that way. And I want to say thanks for everybody for hanging out with us and watching us today. And look for some more workday number 4 coming
Yeah,
up.
4's coming up.
Yeah.
I think there's one more after that, so there may be 5 total.
Oh, yeah.
Then the car's gone.
Yeah, the car's coming along really good. We're doing a lot of good work on it. I was joking.
All right.
All right, thanks, guys.